If alpha and beta are roots of the equation 3x squared plus 5x plus 4 equal to 0, find the values of the following expressions. Find an equation whose roots are a alpha squared plus beta squared, and find an equation whose roots are alpha over beta, and beta over alpha. It's your NS tutor PVS. Let's join it together. All right, so step 1, anytime given this, you need to find the sum of the roots, which is given by negative b over a. In this case, this is our a, our b, and our c. Our c there. So now what we do, our b is negative 5 over 3. You are done. Let's go and find that one. Now let's also find the product of the roots. The product of the roots is given by c over a. Our c is 4, our a is 3. You find this one, you move on. Now next thing that you need to find is, well, we are looking for a squared and b squared together. All right, where these are the roots. Now, recall from this that if I have alpha beta squared, my answer is alpha squared plus beta squared plus 2 alpha beta. You recall this formula, right? From here, we always need to get, remember these are squared, right? And since they are squared, we need to get out a squared. Why do I keep saying a? Alpha and beta squared. If I make alpha and beta squared from here, I'm having alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta. Therefore, so now let's now plug in there. Alpha plus beta is actually negative 5 over 3 squared minus 2. Alpha beta is actually 4 over 3. That means this squared plus beta squared is going to give us what? All right, so we have 25 over 9 minus 8 over 3. We have the common denominator there, which is what? 9. So we have 25. 3 into 9 is 3. 3 times this, we get 24. This will give us 1 over 9. So 1 over 9 is the sum of the square of beta and alpha. Next, we need to find, remember, if you can find the sum, you also need to find the product of them. And the product of them is just the same thing as this. And we said AB was what? 4 over 3. You square, giving you 16 over 9. These are the ones that you need to form your quadratic equation. All right? So the quadratic equation, all right, is given by of this, and beta squared is given by x squared minus sum multiplied by x plus product equal to 0. So get your x squared there minus our sum is what? 1 over 9. 1 over 9 multiplied by x. Our product is 16 over 9 equal to 0. Which you can write it because the 9 is common. I can put it here minus x plus 16 equal to 0. That is the answer. Easy, right? Let's answer part B. It's the same scenario. Finding an equation whose roots are these and that. So, for question 2, our roots are alpha over beta and beta over what? Alpha. So, let's do the same. For this one, we need to do that. Remember that we always have to find the sum and the product. It's cardinal that we do so. Okay? Now, we are dealing with the same equation. Nothing has changed. It's the same quadratic equation which has been given there. That means alpha multiplied by beta and alpha plus beta, they still remain the same. Remember that alpha plus beta was negative 5 over 3 and so negative 5 over 3 and alpha beta was 4 over 3. Yes. So now we need to find the sum of the given roots. That means alpha beta plus beta alpha. If you carry out the common denominator here, you'll be getting alpha beta, then you'll be getting alpha squared plus beta squared. I think you would agree. If I divide beta here, I'll remain the alpha squared to multiply alpha squared like that. Okay. So what do we do? Alpha squared plus beta squared, I think we found it somewhere here. It was 1 over 9. So we put it there, 1 over 9. Of alpha times beta, it's 4 over 3. This one, even if you didn't find it in the first place, you just have to find it from this formula. The same formula is here. Okay, which I presume will give me, okay, 1 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 4, if I switch them. Which will just give me 3 there, 1 over 12. I'll get 1 over 12. Next is a product. That means I'm having alpha beta multiplied by beta alpha, which is just alpha beta multiplied by what? Beta alpha. This will just give you 1. This is just 1 because they're cancelling each other to give you 1. And now the quadratic equation that sum x plus product equal to 0. So x is squared. Our sum is there, 1 over 12 x. Our product is 1 equal to 0. That's what. If I want to make this a non-fraction, I just have to multiply 12 throughout, which will give me 12x squared minus x plus 12 equal to 0. That is the equation. And if you enjoyed the video, please share to others and subscribe. Thank you.